In today's dynamic world of project management, the tools we use are more than just software. They become integral to our daily workflows and, by extension, our working lives. Scoro, a platform designed to unify project management, CRM, and billing, is one such tool. For professionals considering joining the Scoro team, or for those simply curious about the inner workings of a company that develops such software, understanding the working conditions is paramount. As a project management expert, I'm not just interested in the features Scoro offers its users. I'm equally keen to analyze the environment in which this tool is conceived, developed, and supported. What kind of culture fosters innovation in project management solutions? What are the daily realities for the people behind Scoro? Let's delve into what shapes the working conditions at Scoro, drawing insights from available information and applying a project management lens to understand the underlying principles. A foundation of efficiency and structure. Scoro's very product ethos, to streamline workflows and enhance productivity, seems to permeate its internal operations. Project management thrives on structure and clarity, and it appears Scoro embraces these principles within its own walls. Emphasis on smart work. Scoro explicitly states its mission is to help people work smarter, not harder. This isn't just a tagline for their software. It reflects a commitment to efficient work practices within the company itself. This likely translates to well-defined roles, clear expectations, and a focus on impactful work rather than simply putting in long hours. Structured approach. The company values structure in various aspects, from work processes and meetings to even social events. This suggests a predictable and organized environment, which can be highly beneficial for project managers and team members who appreciate clarity and well-defined processes. Ambiguity, a common enemy of successful projects, is something Scoro aims to eliminate internally as well. Detail-oriented and professional. As a company developing productivity software, Scoro naturally attracts individuals who appreciate these qualities. This shared mindset likely contributes to a professional atmosphere where attention to detail and a focus on delivering high-quality work are the norm. The innovative edge and growth mindset. The tech industry thrives on innovation, and project management software is no exception. Scoro positions itself as a company that isn't afraid to challenge the status quo and create new standards. Curiosity and continuous improvement. Scoro seeks individuals who are curious and driven to continuously improve. This suggests a work environment that encourages learning, experimentation, and the adoption of new ideas. A growth mindset is crucial in project management, where adapting to change and finding better ways to deliver results is essential. Customer-centric innovation. The focus on customers, rather than just competitors, implies that innovation at Scoro is driven by a desire to solve real-world problems for their users. This can be a motivating factor for employees who want their work to have a tangible impact. High-performance standards. Scoro sets high standards for its work, striving for quality and meaningful change. This can create a challenging yet rewarding environment for individuals who are passionate about excellence and making a significant contribution. The human element, teamwork, and well-being. Beyond processes and innovation, the human element is critical to any successful workplace. Scoro emphasizes teamwork and employee well-being. Collaboration and team focus. Scoro values team players and promotes collaboration. This is a cornerstone of effective project management, where cross-functional teams must work together seamlessly to achieve common goals. A team-first, ego-last mentality likely fosters a supportive and inclusive environment. Fun and positive atmosphere. The mention of a daily dose of laughter and awesome team events suggests a workplace that values camaraderie and a positive atmosphere. This can significantly contribute to employee morale and overall job satisfaction. Empathy and humility. These values point towards a culture of respect and understanding, where individuals feel valued and supported. In project management, empathy is crucial for effective communication and conflict resolution within teams. Work-life balance. Scoro explicitly mentions maintaining a positive work-life balance. This is increasingly important in the tech industry, and a company that prioritizes this is likely to attract and retain top talent. The implementation of a 4-day work week is a significant testament to this commitment. Pet-friendly office. This seemingly small perk can contribute to a more relaxed and friendly atmosphere, fostering a sense of community and well-being. The groundbreaking 4-day work week. One of the most distinctive aspects of working conditions at Scoro is their implementation of a 4-day work week without compressing hours. This is a significant departure from the traditional 5-day schedule and highlights Scoro's commitment to employee well-being and productivity. More quality time. The 4-day work week provides employees with an extra day off each week, allowing for more time with family, pursuing personal interests, or simply recharging. This can lead to reduced stress and increased overall happiness. No compromise on salary. Importantly, this extra day off comes without a reduction in full-time salaries, demonstrating that Scoro values its employees' time and contributions. Focus on productivity. The rationale behind the 4-day work week is to encourage smarter work practices. By having more time to rest and rejuvenate, employees are likely to be more focused and productive during their working hours. This aligns perfectly with Scoro's product mission. Flexibility. While the 4-day work week is a core principle, Scoro also offers flexible work schedules, allowing employees to adjust their working hours to better suit their personal needs. This autonomy can be a significant factor in job satisfaction. Remote work and global collaboration. In today's interconnected world, remote work has become increasingly prevalent. Scoro embraces this flexibility. Remote work opportunities. Scoro allows employees to work remotely, providing flexibility and autonomy. This can be particularly appealing to project managers who are often adept at managing distributed teams. Global team. With offices in Tallinn, Riga, London, and the US, Scoro operates as a global team. This offers opportunities for collaboration with colleagues from diverse backgrounds and perspectives, enriching the work experience. Hybrid approach. For those in office locations, a hybrid approach seems to be in place, with opportunities for both office-based and remote work. This balances the benefits of in-person collaboration with the flexibility of remote work. Investing in employee growth and well-being. Scoro appears to recognize that employee well-being and professional development are crucial for long-term success. Paid health days. Providing paid health days underscores the importance Scoro places on the physical and mental well-being of its employees. Access to specialists. Offering access to mental health support demonstrates a commitment to creating a psychologically safe and supportive work environment.